what is going to be what is going to do to be next, and you can't imagine what is governor thinking and what is Ivan's thinking. Okay, now both are super intelligent, no doubt. Both are super intelligent, but who would win at last? लास्ट में कौन जीतेगा? what will happen at last? अंत में क्या होगा? We will see in this chapter. ओके बच्चों? Yes. Where you were the last time, 12th A and C. I think it is page number 88. Slowly, Evans was coming into senses and he was feeling relaxed, but he knew that he was beaten. He was defeated by governor. He sat up at last and managed to smile ruefully, and now he left his seat and smiled rapidly. You know, sir, it was really a mistake. Really, a mistake was done by me. You see, we had not been able to fix up any hotel. Actually, during our planning, we were unable to fix a hotel. हम कोई होटल फिक्स नहीं कर पाए थे. Okay then, but we could have worked some other way. But we worked on some other way to escape from the prison. No, the really important thing was for the phone to ring just before the exam finished. Actually, as you know, the exam would be over at 11:25, and last call came in at 11:22 a.m. As you know. Okay, there is a gap of 3 minutes. बीच में 3 मिनट का एक गैप था. Okay, and everything was done during this gap, during these 3 minutes. The really important thing was the phone to ring just before the exam finished to get everyone out of the way for a couple of minutes, because even a couple of minutes everyone was busy in his own work, and we got those 3 minutes to use. हमें 2-3 मिनट मिल गए उन इस्तेमाल करने के लिए. So we had to know exactly when the exam started, didn't we? Actually we knew when the exam had to be started. हम जानते थे एग्जाम कब शुरू होना है. And like a fool, I presented you with the little piece of information on a plate. Or like a fool, I presented the correction slip, the information slip on the plate like a fruit. जैसे कोई प्लेट पे फ्रूट रखकर किसी को सर्व करता है, ऐसी वो स्लिप हमने आपको प्लेट पर रखकर सर्व कर दी. Well, somebody did. किसी ने कुछ काम किया ही होगा. So you see, sir, the correction slip killed 2 little birds with a single stone. Okay, with that correction slip, we did 2 works. हमने 2 काम कर दिए. It means we killed 2 birds in a single stone. हमने एक तीर से 2 शिकार कर लिए. We did 2 work with 1 correction slip. The name of the hotel for me, actually on the correction slip, a name of the hotel was mentioned. You know, Golden Loan. Okay, and the exact time the exam should be started for her, and on that slip the time of the exam was also mentioned, that when the exam was to be started. एग्जाम कितने बजे से शुरू किया जाना था. The governor nodded. Okay, really, this is a pretty common word. You are telling us a very common story. Now, good job. It is pretty common, sir. Sir, it's a very good job, and you are telling it a very common thing. Or I would never have known where to come to. Otherwise, I would not be able to know what to do next. Nice name. Though Zum Golden and Loven. Really, it was a very nice name of the hotel. Zum Golden and Loven. How did you know which golden loin it was? There is hundreds of them. But governor, tell me, how did you know that it was that particular? Sir, how did you know that it was that particular hotel? Because there were hundreds of hotels of this name. इस नाम को जाना सैकड़ों होटल है. आपने क्या जाना कि मैं इसी पर्टिकुलर होटल में आकर रुक गया हूं. But see one thing. Okay, there were many hotels of the same name, but the address is not same of every hotel. हर होटल का एड्रेस सेम नहीं होता. नेम कैन बी सेम. नाम ऐसे हो सकते हैं, but the address are different. एड्रेस अलग अलग होते हैं. Same as you, Ivan. Index number 313. You just mentioned the index number 313. आपको याद है, and upon it you will just write 271. It was the address of this hotel. And 6 figures. Remember 6 figures. If you take an ordnance survey map for Oxfordshire, if you see the ordnance survey map of Oxfordshire, अगर आप ऑक्सफोर्डशायर का सेना शक्ति का आप मैप देखें, that the 6 figures reference, so you know about 6 figures. तो 6 फिगर आपके सामने आती हैं और ये बन जाती हैं 313 upon 271. It becomes a complete address of the hotel. ये होटल का complete address बन जाता है. Okay, you bang in the middle of Shipping Norton, and this hotel lands means this hotel lies in the middle of the Shipping Norton, और ये होटल Shipping Norton के मिड में पड़ता है. You are right. Oh, we had hoped you would run off to Newbury, but you thought very much right. Otherwise, we were thinking that you will go to Newbury to find us, to search us. आपने ठीक समझा, लेकिन हम समझ रहे थे कि शायद आप न्यूबरी जाएंगे हमारी खोज करने के लिए. We did. Yes, we also went there. हम वहां भी गए थे. Well, that is something I suppose. That question paper, Ivan, could you really understand all that German? I could hardly. But Ivan, tell me one thing. Would you be able to learn German language, or would you read, or would you be quite have knowledge to read German? क्या तुम्हें जर्मन पढ़नी आती है? क्या तुम जर्मन पढ़ सकते हो? Just tell me. I could hardly, but it is very hard for me. No, of course, I couldn't. No, sir, I can't read. I knew roughly what it was all about. I knew the roughly idea of that question paper. I knew the roughly idea of that question paper. Okay. About we just hoped it would throw a few spanners in the works. Okay. It is just like a tool. This question paper is just like a tool for me to escape of the jail. ये पेपर मेरे लिए एक टूल के समान था वहां से भागने के लिए. You know, sort of muddle everybody a bit, and you know, everybody was busy. Okay, or everybody was involved in making me run away of the prison. मुझे जेल से भगाने के लिए और भी बहुत से लोग शामिल थे. The governor stood up. गवर्नर खड़ा हो गया. Tell me one thing before we go. Before leaving this room, just tell me one thing, Evans. How on earth did you get all that blood to pour over your head? Evans, tell me one thing. From where did you manage that blood to pour over your head? तुमने अपने ऊपर वो जो खून डला मतलब उड़ेलने के लिए वो कहां से मंगाया? Okay, from where did you manage that blood to pour over your head? Ivan suddenly looked at a little happier. Ivan was looking very happy when governor was asking the question. Clever, sir, very clever. That was how to get a couple of pins of blood into a cell. And sir, you are very much surprised to think that how that blood came into the cell. सर आप बड़े क्लेवर है और सोच रहे हैं और मुझसे पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि वहां पर सेल में वो ब्लड कैसे आया? यस सर. एंड देन when there is no one there to start off with, actually you were thinking that there was no one. There was no one in the cell to send this blood to me. उस सेल में से कोई नहीं था कि जो मुझे ब्लड भेजता. Even though I arrange the blood get shut before I come in. Yes, sir, you can well ask about that. Sir, it is your duty. No doubt, it is your duty to ask from where that blood came into the cell. I don't know if I ought to tell you. After all, I might want to use that particular. Okay, I don't know, but I don't want to tell you. I don't want to tell you about that blood, but I will tell you, I must tell you from where I have managed that blood. After all, I might want to use that particular because I wanted to use that blood. Anything to do with the little rubber ring for pies, perhaps? Just tell me the rubber ring. The rubber ring which was brought to the cell, it was something important or not for the files? वो रबर रिंग जो जेल में मंगाई गई थी वो फाइल्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट थी या नहीं? Evans grinned feebly. Evans laughed weakly. Clever though, wasn't sir very clever? What have been a tricky job is sticking a couple of points. It is a very tricky job to bring the blood in the cell because the blood had the quality of clotting. खून तो जल्दी जम जाता है because it has the quality of clotting. इसमें जमने की क्वालिटी होती है. Nah, you have got it wrong, sir. Sir, you are wrong at this time. आप गलत कह रहे हैं. No problem about that, sir. I faced no problem in bringing blood to the cell. मुझे सेल में ब्लड मंगवाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. No, nah. It is a clotting, you see. Oh, you mean the clotting problem? No, sir. Actually, there is a big trouble. हाँ, ये एक परेशानी थी. We get the blood easy enough, but we got the blood quite easily. Pig's blood. It was the pig's blood. It was from the slaughterhouse in Kiddington. In Kiddington, there is a shop of slaughter. There is a slaughterhouse. एक क्या कहते हैं इसे? जहाँ पर जानवर काटे जाते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? स्लॉटरर्स हाउस. इट मीन्स हिंदी से मांग से भी हो रहा है. कसाई खाना. यस, कसाई. और सुना आपने? कसाई. कसाई इज उर्दू वर्ड. कसाई खाना जहाँ पर स्लॉटर, जहाँ पर वेयर द एनिमल्स आर स्लॉटर्ड बाय अ मैन, जहाँ पर एक आदमी के द्वारा जानवर काटे जाते हैं, उसको स्लॉटर्स हाउस कहते हैं. बट टू स्टॉप इट क्लॉटिंग, you have got to mix your actual blood. Actually, to stop the clotting of that blood, we have to mix real blood in it. हमें इस ब्लड में रियल ब्लड मिलाना था. इंसान का थोड़ा सा ब्लड मिलाना था. Evans took a breath. With 1/10 of its own volume of 3.8% trisodium citrate. Yeah, 1/10 of the volume. पूरे वॉल्यूम का 1/10 पार्ट. Okay, it means 3.8% trisodium citrate. 3.8 trisodium citrate was also mixed with the blood or in the blood to stop clotting. To stop clotting of the blood, 3.8 trisodium citrate was mixed. Getting or not? इसमें 3.8 ट्राइसोडियम सिट्रेट मिलाया गया था इस खून को जमने से रोकने के लिए. The governor shook his head in a token of reluctant admiration. Governor shook his head. Governor responded. He did not want to admire Evans, but he had to admire Evans. वो इवांस की तारीफ करना नहीं चाहता था गवर्नर, फिर भी उसे तारीफ करनी पड़ गई. We learn something new every day. अरे, we just learn something new from the criminals every day. हम रोज क्रिमिनल से हर रोज कुछ नया सीखते हैं. And they tell me, ऐसा हमें क्रिमिनल्स बताते हैं. Now come on, my lad, मेरे बालक, चलो, you are under arrest. Evans made no show of resistance. Evans made no show of opposition. Evans did not make any opposition. उसने कोई विरोध नहीं करा. And side by side, the two men walked slowly down the stairs. On side by side, both the two police, both the person, Evans and the governor, were coming down the stairs. Tell me, Evans, how did you manage to plan all this business? Tell me, Evans asked governor, how do you manage all this plan? ये सब प्लान तुम लोग कैसे मैनेज कर लेते हो? Okay, you have had no visitors. I know that no one came. I know that no one came to your cell. मैं जानता हूँ तुम्हारी सेल में कोई नहीं आया था. फिर भी I have seen to that. Actually, I was keeping a watchful eye on you. मैंने तुम पर अपनी पैनी निगाहें जमा रखी थी. Even though, how did you manage all this plan? You have had no letters, and I think that you also got no letters. तुम्हें किसी का कोई लेटर भी नहीं मिला. I have got lots of friends, though. I have got lots of friends, sir. I have lots of friends. What they are supposed to mean? What do you mean? Me, German teacher, for a start. Sir, you would have learned that in the starting, a German teacher came or was coming to my cell to teach me German as a tutor. आपको याद होगा, from the September, a man was coming to my cell to teach me German as a tutor. You mean, but he was from the technical college. But that person was coming from the technical college. लेकिन वो बंदा तो technical college से आया था. Was he? वो. He was almost enjoying it all now. He was enjoying to tell his story to governor. यानी कि Evans was feeling very happy when he was sharing his plan with the governor. Ever checked up on him, sir? Sir, have you ever checked that man from where he was coming? सर, कभी आपने चेक करा उस आदमी को कि वो कहां से आ रहा है? It is your blunder mistake that you did not check that person from where he was coming. God Almighty. Arey, there is far more going on than I. Okay, this plan was running in the cell and I could not understand. ये प्लान चल रहा था और मैं समझ नहीं सका. Oh God, always will be, sir. फिर हमेशा चलता रहेगा. Everything ready? Asked the governor as they stood to the reception desk. Now when governor stopped at reception desk, he asked the receptionist, everything is ready? The van is out. The front sir, said the pretty blonde receptionist. The fair receptionist replied that the van is out. The front sir prison van गेट के मतलब गेट के बाहर खड़ी हुई है. Okay, Evans winked at her. Evans ने बच्चे लड़की को विंक करा, आंख मारी. Evans blinked at her and she winked back at him. और the लड़की, the girl did the same. What did you say? You will say that it may be possible that both were the friends already. शायद दोनों पहले से दोस्त हो. That girl and that person, Evans. Okay then. A silent prison officer handcuffed the recaptured Evans. Recaptured means rearrested. Okay, a silent prison officer handcuffed the recaptured Evans. एक शांत पुलिस सिपाही ने रिकैप्चर में दोबारा से पकड़े गए इवांस को हथकड़ी पहना दी. Together, the two men clambered awkwardly into the back seat of the prison van, and both the person sat on the back seat of the prison van. Police officer and Evans. Governor was standing outside of the prison van. गवर्नर प्रिजन वैन के बाहर खड़ा हुआ था और दोनों बाकी सिपाही अंदर बैठे हुए थे इवांस के साथ. See you soon, Evans. It was almost as if the governor was saying farewell to an old friend after a cocktail party. Actually, now governor says to Evans, okay, goodbye, see you soon, Evans. जल्दी मिलते हैं. Governor was reacting or behaving as if he was seeing of any of his friends. Okay, गवर्नर तो ऐसे बिहेव कर रहा था जैसे वो किसी पार्टी में अपने फ्रेंड को सी ऑफ करने के लिए आया हो. Cheer up, sir. Cheer up, sir. Okay, sir. I was just wondering, sir. मुझे एक आश्चर्य सा हो रहा है. I am wondering. I am surprising. I know your German is pretty good, sir. Sir, I know your knowledge in German language was very good. But do you know any more of these modern languages? Sir, do you know about any other more modern language? Sir, जर्मन तो आप जानते हैं. क्या आप किसी और मॉडर्न लैंग्वेज के बारे में जानते हैं? Not very well. Why? Reason? क्यों? Evans settled himself comfortably on the back seat. Now, Evans was sitting on the back seat of the prison very comfortably. Evans बड़े आराम से बैक सीट पर बड़े आराम से बैठा हुआ था. Grinned happily and smiling very happily. Nothing, sir. Really, कुछ नहीं, sir. Nothing. I just happened to notice that you have got some O-level Italian classes coming up next September. Sir, I am thinking that you must have taken the Italian classes also from the next September. Sir, मैं सोचता हूँ जर्मन तो आपने सीख ली, आपको इटालियन लैंग्वेज भी सीख लेनी चाहिए और नेक्स्ट सितंबर आने वाला है, कोई क्लास ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा. That's all. Perhaps you won't be with us next September, Evans. Evans, might be possible that you will not be alive. Till next September. Evans, मुझे लगता है कि तुम अगले सितंबर तक तो जिंदा ही नहीं रह पाओगे. James Roderick Evans appeared to ponder the governor's word deeply. Now, James Roderick Evans started to find out the deep meaning. Now Evans started to find out the deep meaning of the words of governor. इवांस ने गवर्नर के द्वारा कहे गए शब्दों को खंगालना शुरू कर दिया, उन्हें सोचना शुरू कर दिया. No, perhaps I won't. शायद मैं नहीं रहूंगा. He said, as the prison bells turned right from Shipping Norton to the Oxford Road. As the prison van turned from the Shipping Norton the Oxford Road, जब prison van अचानक Shipping Norton से टर्न लेकर के ऑक्सफोर्ड रोड पर मुड़ती है, तो क्या होता है बच्चों? The Hitherto silent prison officer unlocked the handcuffs. जो साइलेंट प्रिजन ऑफिसर इवांस के पास बैठा हुआ होता है, वो इवांस की हथकड़ी खोल देता है. ओके, एंड लीन फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द ड्राइवर एंड लीन टुवर्ड्स द ड्राइवर, ड्राइवर की तरफ झुकता है. एंड सेड, और कहता है, फॉर क्राइस्ट सेक गेट अ मूव ऑन. इफ यू वांट योर लाइफ, अगर तुम्हें अपना जीवन चाहिए तो प्लीज कीप ऑन मूविंग, चलते रहो वैसे ही. It was not take them too long to find, and now we don't want to give any chance to police to find out us. हम पुलिस को अब और मौका नहीं देना चाहते कि वो हमको ढूंढे. Where do, सुनो ध्यान से, where do we suggest we make for? Ask the driver in a broad Scott accent. Now the driver asked in broad Scott language, sir, where do you want to go? सर आपको कहाँ जाना है? ये आदमी कौन था जो ड्राइवर बन गया था, जो स्कॉट लैंग्वेज बोल रहा था? ये वही फादर था जो इवांस का एग्जाम देने के लिए आया था. ही वाज इवांस फ्रेंड, वो इवांस का ही आदमी था. जो पुलिस ऑफिसर था साइलेंट, वो भी इवांस का फ्रेंड था. जो प्रिजन में जो ड्राइवर सीट पे बैठा हुआ था, वो भी इवांस का ही आदमी था. What shall Newbery suggested Evans? Now Evans said we should move towards Newbery. अब हमें न्यूबरी चलना चाहिए.